Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu Linux. So now let us get started. Open Firefox web browser and type google.com/Chrome and hit enter. The link will be available on description below. Click on download Chrome. Now as you can see, there are two options available. Select .deb for Debian or Ubuntu and then click on accept and install. Now select save file and click on OK and wait for the download to complete. Once the download completed, open the downloaded location. Right click on the empty space and click on Open in Terminal. Now type sudo apt install // and the file name and hit enter. Enter the password for user if prompted and hit enter. Now wait for the installation process to complete. Once the installation process is completed, now you can access Google Chrome from Start menu. As you can see, Google Chrome is available here, or even you can search for Google Chrome. For the first time, Google Chrome will prompt us the options to make Google Chrome the default browser and automatically send usage statistics and crash reports to Google. You can check or uncheck the options depending on your preference and click on OK. Now, as you can see, Google Chrome is ready to use. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.